A few days into 2025, guys. We got a nice big load here. 26-foot truck filled all the way to the back. Let's get it unloaded. Truck's empty. Well, what's going off is empty. This is an aluminum frame. We're going to clean that up. Chairs, we're going to sell them. There's 4 pallets of electronics back there. But we got to go get another load. I'll show you more as we go. This is part of load number 2. Let's load it up. That's all going to the warehouse. That's everything we just threw off. Let's get out of here. Truck's empty. Last 2 things going into the warehouse. It's dark out. I'll show you a little bit when we get to the warehouse. It's cold out here. Alright guys. Here's all the pallets of electronics we just brought in. All these chairs. And this 1 pallet jack with a couple chairs and tables. Let me go warm up. I'll show you some more as we go along. Probably on another day when it's a little warmer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.